The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everyone and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. What a great day today is. Of course, we have seen the market go a bit berserk, and we haven't seen that happen for quite some time. More importantly, we've seen the market break through all the major levels that I've been talking about for quite some time. Now, whether you're looking at the Bitfinex chart or the Coinbase chart, we've certainly seen the market push through all of those levels. If you recall, I've been talking about the three higher highs. Well, we've now cracked through every single possible level. I was talking about the level being 42.39. We've smashed through that. We even pushed up to 5,000. Now, there needs to be a tale of caution to be spoken of right away, because here's where we are on the monthly. We've pushed right up into that cradle zone right now. The monthly is still in a downtrend. It's back into that cradle zone. This is the point for which I was suggesting, if we were to break up through those key levels, that this would be the level for which, if we were going to see the market move lower again, this would be where it would be from. Now, that's just my humble opinion based on the way I trade and what I trade back into that cradle zone. With that being said, however, the tale of caution is because it's just happened in one day. You know, instead of it grinding up there, we just went whooshka and we're up $650 in one day. Now, that is wonderful. I'm very happy about that. And it's really nice to see, but I'm not counting my chickens just yet. We may still, not be through the worst of it. And I say that because really for me, it's about getting above 6,000. Okay, so we've hit 5. We're sitting at 4.8. All right, we get above 6,000 and do that with the trend continuing. I think we're looking good at that point. We are looking much better now. Don't get me wrong. We have seen a nice move. It's just that the move that's happened, it all happened in one day, all the way to 5,000. I was hoping to maybe get a little bit more time and trades, but you know what? Hope is not a strategy, and I'll trade what I see, not what I think. And right now, there's a lot of overextension across all of the top 10 pairs, and therefore I will be waiting until the opportunity arises for me to take my trades this week. Jumping through the market news, well, I'm going to make one guess and suggest that it's all going to be pretty positive. Bitcoin price jumps 4-month high. Yep. Rallies 14%. Top financial advisors change their mind on Bitcoin. Venture capitalists are still throwing hundreds of millions at blockchains. Digital currency group data reveals turbulent crypto investment landscape. PayPal targets identity ownership with its first blockchain investment. Cryptocurrency market update, the moon is nigh. Wow. Bitcoin's sudden surge propels it above 5,000. No current cryptocurrency is viable for terrorist use, says RAND Corporation report. Are crypto investors indifferent or insensitive towards hacks of exchanges? Upcoming, well, I don't think so, not if it's affecting them. Upcoming Barcelona trading conference will bring crypto industry players together. Bithumb hack crypto exchange change now remains stolen. Ripple EOS worth $500,000. So look, across the board, it is overall positive. The good thing is it's not just about price. I know it's heavily geared towards price, but PayPal with their blockchain investment, venture capitalists still investing. We've got a fair bit of good stuff in there, which is beyond price, which is great. And it's probably a reason why we may just start to see this market get going. Now, I wouldn't be surprised at all that we have Bitcoin across many news channels this next 24 to 48 hours talking about the most recent surge, because they love to talk about it, don't they? And that's good. People talking about Bitcoin in a positive light is good. People talking about it in a negative light, well, people still hear about the word Bitcoin, and it helps the overall market to get more understanding out there in the in the greater community, mass adoption. So as I go through now, as I say, Bitcoin up 15.64% or $656. We've got Ethereum up 13.87%. And again, running into some resistance there on Ethereum at 164.60. Needs to clear that level before there's too much more interest. EOS had a great day, up 17.84%. Stellar Lumens a little bit slow, up 8.67. We've got Ripple up 11% right now and sitting just inside of the upper range of that range, upper point of that range, I should say, around that 35 cents. We bust through that, and we're looking much better there on Litecoin. On Ripple with some good moves ahead. Litecoin against the dollar now running into $74 resistance. That was old support. Now it is resistance. A very strong day, up 21.48%. We've also got Bitcoin Cash now. It's up the biggest amount out of all of the market, 35.75%. And this is why we love crypto. A move like that, what a wonderful thing. We've got it up $60 today. Binance against dollar Tether up 10.5%, sitting at $19.76, which is glorious. Tron up 8.88% and a bit overextended on those 4 hours. And Cardano, another one that's been trending quite nicely for quite some time. It's up 15.21%. So ladies and gentlemen, my point for today is this. I'm going to be sitting back and keeping my hot little fingers to myself. I want to see it pull back. If I get those pullbacks across that 4 hour time frame, that's the first time frame I'll be really watching out for. I would suggest that it may take some time. So it may require your patience today. So sit back, relax, watch the markets, and if you know what you're doing, we'll get ready for what I think could be really good trading. We've got a lot of good trends now in the margin trading pairs. If you don't know how to use leverage, time to learn. It's a double-edged sword, but if you know what you're doing, it's not so bad. You manage your risk. Guys, have a fantastic day. Great to see some positivity out there, major positivity in the marketplace. Let's hope it continues. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast is hosted by Craig Cobb. All Trader Cobb courses, products, and tools can be found at tradercobb.com because experience matters.